Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. For today's vlog, we're going to unbox random blind boxes from PopMart. So some IPs or figures are old already, and I got some new from the collection or newest release of PopMart. So I got these blind boxes because I wanna see some previews or old series that are not easily available now in the website or in the market. That's why let's see if we're going to like these figures or not. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. So let me begin with the newest release from PopMart, which is the Twinkle Twinkle. I forgot the series. PopMart Twinkle Twinkle. What's the series name? Twinkle Twinkle Savor the Moment series figures. So this is the newest release from PopMart. I have some Twinkle Twinkle in my previous vlog, and I started to like Twinkle Twinkle now because they are starting uh, to be more likable and more cutest for their newest release. So I found this lineup very cute and adorable, but I just decided to get one, and let's see if this one has a spark and has a good quality figure. So I believe these are food related figures. So it's all about pastries or the one that you can buy in the cafe or coffee shop. So this is the lineup. They have 12 confirmed figures and one secret, which has a probability of 1 over 144. I really like the packaging and the illustration of the packaging because it really looks like a vintage vibe cafe because of the background, which is like a stripe of yellow and blue, and even the scarf of Twinkle Twinkle. It's very 70s or 80s vibe. So let's see, guys. So from this lineup, I wanna get the Star Candy. I wanna get the I wanna get the Chef, which is the Eternity of Pizza. I wanna get also the Orange Marmalade and the one in the cup, which is the Coffee Milk Bath and the Macaron Moment. So let's see, guys. Let's see if the figure inside is my prio or maybe this is a secret. And let's see if we're going to get more of this figure. If this one is cute enough to stay and collect more of this lineup. Oops. Okay. Okay, this figure is very small, very light figure. So let's see. Our first figure for today. One, two, three. Oh, we got the macaron one. It's really cute. Look, guys. Look. Very cute. I like the finish material of this one. It's a long flapped finish. It's a light yellow. It's a very different figure from Twinkle Twinkle because I believe this is the first figure of Twinkle Twinkle with a flat finish material. And if you can see, the headphone of Twinkle Twinkle here is a piece of cookies with a heart design. It's a very nice one, and this one is connected with the macaron one. Memorize. Let me show you the art card. So this is macaron moment. And there's a note. Put on your headphones, let music lead the way. Back to the moments you want to save. Music is a trip. Go where the rhythms go. From Twinkle Twinkle. Very nice artwork. I remember that every artwork or art card of Twinkle Twinkle has a note or quotes at the back. It's just like a love letter from Twinkle Twinkle. And I like this one. I like the intricate details of the macaron one. I believe this is a like orange tangerine macaroon with the custard inside. And I like Twinkle Twinkle here. She's or he is so cute. I like the eyes with a heart designs or pupil. Very nice one. What can you say about this one? Should I get more of this? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our second box, which is the Illumination Despicable Me 4 Minions. So I'm actually a fan of movie of Minions, but I never had a Minion figure. I'm not sure if I had one before. But I never unboxed Minions before, so this will be my first time to unbox a Minions figure. So this is the Illumination Despicable Me 4 series. They have 12 confirmed figures and one secret. I don't know who's the secret here. And they are all looks the same actually. And this one's quite heavy. So if I want to get any of these, I really want to get the Mega Minion Jerry and the Thief Phil and the Party George. These three are Mark Prios. So let's see, guys, if I'm able to get my first Prio from these minions. This one, maybe it's not the Mega Mind. Mega Mind? Is that Mega Mind? So let's see. I keep opening my box at the bottom part because I want to keep the box in a good condition so that I can store them as until I have my display case for every figures that I have. So let's see, guys. I don't want to see any spoiler. I feel some inclusions inside. So let's see, guys. Our second figure for today. One, two, three. Oh, what's this? Very cute. Let me show you the art card first because I don't know who's the art card. Okay, I guess I got my prio. The Party George. Look, guys, it's Party George, and he has a. I guess this is a maracas. Am I right that this is a maracas musical instrument? Let me put the maracas. Am I right, guys? Is this maracas? Let me remove some plastic. Okay. This one is cute, actually. I like it. I remember now my time when I visited the Universal Studio in Osaka. So I have some pictures and I entered the Minion's house. And this one is so cute. I like the donut ducky on his head. Very nice one. Very colorful. It's very minion. Look, guys, the intricate details at the head. There's some tiny hair of George at the on the top of his head, and he looks so cute here. I like the combinations of the color. It pops up the color of yellow and green. What can you say about the figure of Party George from Despicable Me 4? Please comment down below. Let me go with these three boxes from Crybaby, the Powerpuff Girl series. This is a collaboration. Oops, this is the collaboration of Powerpuff Girls to Crybaby. So let's see, guys. I really like the boxes, the illustration of the box. It really looks so premium. I like the metallic finish or linings of some letters or fonts or designs. So this one mimicking or um, what can you what is the word of that, like imitating or collaborating? I'm not sure. So you can see the bubbles, Crybaby, the you can see the Buttercup and Blossom Crybaby. So this is the lineup from this series. They have 12 confirmed figures, but I really want to get these three men from this lineup. I want to get Mojo Jojo. So they have one secret which has a probability of 1 over 44. I want to get Mojo Jojo. I want to get the bedtime bubbles. And of course, the professor. I want to get the professor. And I don't know. Maybe these three are my priors. So let's see. We have three. So let's see if we are able to get our priors. This one's so light figure. So I don't know. Maybe this is a secret. I hope so. Oops. I like their box. It's so premium. Premium looking. So pink, but I like the, very shimmery, very metallic. They give a lot of thought about this box. It so looks so beautiful and premium. So our first figure from this Powerpuff and our third figure for today. One, two, three. Oh! Ah, the one that I like. Oh, nice. Oh, let me show you the art card. Okay. So this is Bedtime Bubble. See? Even the art card is so nice. I like the finish of artwork, the finishing of the artwork. There's some metallic linings or finish. So this is Bedtime Bubbles. It looks like Bubbles is crying over her pillow, and there's some tear stains on her pillow, and the tears of Bubbles here is blue. It's a translucent material. I like the intricate details of this one. Very cute one. I like it. Very cute Bubbles. And this is the signature tears of Crybaby. I like the pigtails of Bubbles here, the yellow hair, and the blue ponytail. What's that? Blue ribbons. I like it. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box. So we got the one which is my prio with the Bedtime Bubbles. So, I wanna get, maybe I like Bunny Buttercup as well and Bunny Bubbles. So let's see, guys. Oops, I dropped the box. This one is has so much glue. So I will carefully open the bottom part. Oops, I don't like to destroy the box because I wanna keep these figures in a good condition. So if I'm going to dish dash them, the new owner will be happy that the figure is well preserved and well kept, and even the box is still good. But this one has so much glue. Okay, our fourth figure, this one's very small. One, two, three. Oh, we got the professor! Look, even the professor is crying here. It's like Crybaby became a professor, became a man. I like it. I like this one. And professor here is like doing like some experiment, and there's some stains of chemicals on her lab coat, and he's holding a, maybe this a flask of chemicals. Let me see the inclusions so we can check what are the other things that they have. So this is the professor. Very nice art card. Okay, so there's a stand. Okay, the stand is very simple, like clear one. I don't know how you will put this one like this. And okay, so you just have to, I don't know how to put this one. Just have to put the flask on the bottom part of professor, just like this. Still cute. I like this one. I really like this one. What can you say about the professor, guys? Please comment down below. So guys, I fixed my camera so that we can see them in a good lineup. So let's proceed with our next box. We have another Crybaby Powerpuff Girls collaboration. So we have two opened, unboxed already, which I got the professor and the bedtime bubbles. Am I right? We got the bedtime bubbles. So let's see if we're able to get Mojo Jojo, because I really want to get Mojo Jojo from this lineup, or the secret. I don't want to say any spoiler. Okay. One, two, three. Oh, we got the mayor. Look, guys. This one is so cute. Okay, maybe mayor is holding something. Let me check all the inclusions first and the art card. So this is the art card. This is mayor. And these are the inclusions. There's a stand. Let me put the stand first. Okay, very simple stand. Okay, how should I put this one? Okay, so he's holding a red telephone wire like this. Am I right? Am I right? Let me check the art card. Okay, like this one. Okay. And how about this one? Oh, okay. Just on the floor. So, this is Mayor. Look, guys. I really like the sash of Mayor here. There's some daisy flower. I like the red bow tie. I like the outfit of Mayor. And even the telephone. This is like a vintage telephone from the 90s, I guess. 90s, 80s, like that. Because of the telephone wire. And the telephone is crying as well. So let me show you the back part. This is the back part. I like the white hair of Mayor here. The white tears as well. Very nice. I should get more of this because I really want to get Mojo Jojo. What can you say about this one, guys? So this is Mayor from Powerpuff Girls Crybaby collaboration. Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with the monsters. I have the Monster Space Tisserie and the Monsters Flower Elves. These two are not available anymore in the website or in any PopMart platform, online shops. So it's really hard to get this series. Surprisingly, I don't know why. And in my if you watch my previous vlog, I opened one box of these and one box of these. So I just hope I won't get any duplicates from this lineup. So let's see, guys. So I have one here. Let me open first the Monster Flower Elves. This one is quite light figure. And the one that I got before from this lineup is the Chocolate Flower. So I wanna get this one, the Sunflower. I wanna get the Sunflower, the Astorby. The writings are very small, so I can't see them. These two are my priors, and I hope it's not the chocolate flower here. And I wanna get this one as well. The which is Abuton, Abuton Pictum. I don't know what's this. Abuton Pictum. Let's see, guys. I hope I'll get my prio. I don't know who's the secret from this lineup. Maybe I'll be lucky enough to get a secret. Let's see. Okay, this one is a very small one. I hope it's not like Coco. One, two, three. Oh, yay! I got another monster, but I don't know who's this. Which one did I get? Let me show you the art card. Okay. The orange Labubu. Okay, we got Cherry Blossom. Oh my goodness. It's like a premonition that I should go and visit a cherry blossom this time. What a coincidence! We're actually planning to visit a cherry blossom country like somewhere in Japan or in Korea. So this one's not. I don't know how. Okay, it's not magnetized, but uh, she's sitting on these green leaves like this. Let me set aside this one first. So this is cherry blossom. I like the cherry blossom flowers. With attached with Labubu here. She's so orange. I like this one. I guess this is the first time that I got an orange Labubu, and I like it. Like she's holding a tea or a coffee. I like the intricate details of this one. The fur of Labubu, the cherry blossom are so cute and beautiful. I like this. What can you say about this one, guys? So this is the Monster Flower Elves Cherry Blossom. Should I get more of this? What do you think, guys? Please comment down below. So let's proceed with the Monster Space Tisserie. The one that I got before in my previous vlog is the ice cream pastry, which is Thai coco. So this one's quite bulky, and there's some, you know, I can feel the figure on the outside of this box, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna get eclair because I wanna get eclair. I wanna get petite petite palmers. Petite is that petite or caramel Napoleon. As long as it's not a duplicate, guys. I wanna get this one as well. Fondant. No, I wanna get French cake roll. I like them all except I go. So let's see, guys. Let's see. Let's open this one. I'm excited to open this one because I can feel and I can sense that this is a good figure or maybe a secret. What do you think? This one has so much glue. Oops. Okay. Oh, are you excited? Let's see. Oh, there's so much inclusions. I don't want to see it first. Let me close my eyes while removing some inclusions. I don't want to see. So let's see, guys. I hope it's not like Coco. So, 2, 4, 6. Our seventh figure. One, 2, 3. Oops. Oh, what's this? I said I want a Labubu. Is this Thai Coco? The other friend of Labubu? But he's so cute. He's holding a cherry. And let me see. Let me check. What? What did I get? Oh, the mango pie. I got the mango pie. Okay. I didn't get Labubu. But I don't know who's this, guys. Do you know who's this character? The other friend of Labubu. But I like the intricate details of this one. Look, guys. The clothes of this figure are so intricate. I like the small details. I like this cherry that he's holding. And this is like the mango tart or the mango pie, and he's like sitting or laying or lying on this mango pie, mango tart. Very nice. I like this one actually. It's so cute, and he is so cute actually. Very cute figure. So we didn't get a secret, but we get a cute figure. What can you say about this one? Our mango pie from Monster Space series. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next boxes. So we have the Maki Playtime. In my previous vlog, I opened up a Monster Floppy observation. So I wanna get some colorful figures here like the Let's Dance, the superhero. I like Surprise as well and Muscles and Monster. I started to like Instinctoy now. So I wanna collect more of Instinctoy in a different um series, but I don't know how to get more of these. So if you have some ideas, guys, please comment down below. So let me open now our Maki Playtime series. One figure again. I don't know why I keep getting one box at a time. Maybe I like the challenge of getting a secret or getting a not duplicate figure, and I hope it's not duplicate. So let's see. I'll be devastated if this is another figure that I have already. It looks like one. Let's see. One, two, three. Oh, it's not. Okay. The one that is like how what is the word that you use to like laying or lying on your tummy like that? And this one is like a white polar bear for me. It looks like one, and let me show you the surprise of his teeth. Oh, look the teeth. It's so colorful, very pastel rainbow. And the details of the fur of Maki here is so detailed. If you can see, guys, it's a pearlescent finish, and there's some maki at the back of this white burr, and the translucent material that they use with the small daisy flowers with a different color, and there's some ladybugs here. Look, guys, very nice. It looks like a he's in a polar somewhere in Alaska, and like uh, lying on the ice. And I can say this one is a cute figure. Maybe not my prio, but a really nice one. So we got observation. Another observation. Why we why we keep getting observation? Observation and another observation. Monster Fluffy. Okay, and then we got another observation. It seems like the one that I got before are like they are good together because they are doing. The other one that I got is observing a flower and a butterfly. Now here is observing another insect, which is the ladybug, and some flowers as well. And let me show you that it again. La, this is so cute. What can you say about this one? I like the artwork, by the way. Please comment down below. So let's proceed with our next monster floppy. This is my first time to have a figure of this lineup. So this is the Fantasy Journey. And they have 369 confirmed figure and one secret. I wanna get Charming, Glacial, Butterfly, and Bloom, and Sharing. I guess some of the figures here are glow in the dark, so I'm not sure. Or maybe the secret. So let's see, guys. I'm excited to open this one because I really falling in love with Maki Instinct. I don't know why. I'm started to like some Instinct toy figures, and I really wanna collect more. So let's see, guys. This one's quite chunky, and there's a lot. Here's the opening section. Okay, guys, our next figure. One, two, three. Oh, hmm. Who's this? Let me remove the plastic and the inclusion. Okay, so he's standing here. Am I right? Standing in this area. Okay, let me show you the art card. Oh, we got the glacial, the one that I like. I guess this is one of the glow in the darks. Look, guys, look the details, the shimmery finish. Like he's holding a pom poms and his hand is moving. Like he can move the hands up and down like he's doing a pom poms and cheering like that. And I like the what you call this one, the pastel color of rainbows of the horns at the back, and there's some glitters inside, guys. Look, can you see this one? It's like a shaker and some glitters, blue glitters on the insides like a glacier ice. I like this one. I really like this one. And this is the puppy or the toy of a Maki, like they're doing a party, like cheering up somebody. What can you say about this one, guys? This one is so cool. Look the detail at the back, the rainbow colors, the translucent figure, the translucent material. I really like this one. I should get more of these. I really like more, but I don't know how he's going to stand like that. Okay, that's it. I found the step. And what can you say about Glacier, guys? You like this one? Please comment down below. So guys, let's proceed with our last boxes, which is Ziga, which are Ziga. Let It Be series. So this it is like old series of Ziga, and it's really hard to get some of these figures. So I just got three of this one. I'm able to get three. And if you can see in my background, I'm starting to collect Ziga one by one. One by one figures that I like. And I really love Ziga. I really like the figure, the eyepiece, the artist of this figure. Very artistic one. Even there, even in the box, the artwork of the box, the illustration of the art card are very nice and very artistic. That's why I starting to fall in love with this figure, and I want to collect more of these figures. So let's see, guys. So in this lineup, they have 12 confirmed figures and one secret. And I really wanna get the Silly Disguise, the Planting Hope, the Keeping Company. Mm, Not just cute. This one is cute also, or the Secret Tears, or the Secret. So let's see. Which one is heavy? These two are heavy, and this one is light. So let's start with the light one. Haha, I hope I'll get my prio and a not duplicate from these three. I'm not sure if it's like because I purchased this at the same time. If I'm not sure if I'm going to get a duplicate or not. Let's see. Oh, this one is a very small figure. Next figure is one, two, three. Oh, wait. Did we get the puppy one or the cat one? What's this? Oh, I dropped the other figure. Oh, we got the Don't Be Shy. Like there's a magnetized uh, mask of a wolf. I'm not sure if this is the mask of the wolf or a dog. Look, guys. Look. Let me remove all the plastic first. Okay. It's written here aposematic. I don't know what's the meaning of aposematic. Aposematic or aposematic? Please comment down below if you know the meaning of aposematic. And this is the mask of Ziga. Let me check. Oh, it's magnetized. And look, it's so creepy. And this is the Don't Be Shy. I'm not sure if this is the secret. No. But I really like this one. They're still using the chip eye of Siga. It's a very nude color. It's brown, it's cream, it's gray, it's white, and everything is nude color here. And I like it. It's very simple but very intricate figure. I like the intricate details. I like the interaction of this one. Look how cute Siga here, and she has a mask of a wolf. I'm not sure if this is a wolf or a dog. What can you say about this one? And she has a gray cat like this with the yellow eyes. Very nice one. Look the artwork. Very nice illustration. Ziga, don't be shy. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next Ziga, second to our last box. So we got the Don't Be Shy. So I really want to get the one, the Silly Disguise, and the Secret Tears. So let's see, guys. I hope it's another cute Ziga. But you know what, guys? I I like all the Ziga figure because I don't know, they look very good quality figures, and it's a worth the price. So let's see. I really recommend or very I commend also the artist of Ziga, and I highly recommend the figure because it's worth the price, it's worth your money. Our next figure is one, two, three. Oh, who's this? This one is the Budding Life. Budding Life. What is that meaning? Okay. Oh, okay. We got the Budding Life. I'm not sure. It looks like Ziga here. It's like sprouting figure. I like the very simple figure of Ziga here. Like she's wearing a white t-shirt and trying to connect with the plants. I'm not sure. What is your interpretation about this one? Very mysterious for me. And I like the translucent material of the leaves, the sprouting leaves. Yeah, it's so nice. I like this one. Very simple, very mysterious, very innocent Siga. Very nice one. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So these are last box for today's vlog. I don't want to stop because I'm enjoying unboxing cute figures. So let's see, guys. And I just want to say thank you for those who keeps supporting my videos. And if you're still not my subscriber, guys, please do subscribe so that I will continue doing this fun and share it with you, all these beautiful figures that I have. So let me open now our last box. And also keep sharing my videos and keep watching them. Go back to my other and old videos and watch them again. If you are bored and if you want to see some art toys, feel free to visit my old videos and old unboxing vlog. So let's see our final figure. This one's quite heavy. I don't know who's this. Oops, our final figure for today. One, two, three. Oh, there's some like whisker. Oops. Oh, okay. The one with the bird. This is not the secret, guys, by the way. We got the Keeping Company. Look, guys. I like the artwork. Very nice, right? I like the illustration of this card. Very mysterious vibe. And there's a stand that looks like a shadow of Ziga. I like this one. Very nice figure. Oh, look, guys. It looks like Ziga is trying to look on her shadow, like trying to talk with her shadow, with the bird. Like the bird is quite like injured. The feather of the bird is injured, and there's some bandage. Like the bird is keeping company with Ziga with their shadows. Look, guys, very nice one. I like the clothes of Ziga here. Like she's wearing a striped pajamas with a yellow shirt. What can you say about this one? This one is so cool, and I like the art card. Very nice figure. Please comment down below. So guys, this is my final lineup for what we unboxed for today's vlog. And the one in the front are my favorites and the one in the back are my least favorites. So if you have other favorites, you can comment down below. And please don't forget to like and share this video. And do subscribe in my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. If you had fun, thanks for watching. Bye!